Alright, thank you Nadila for the explanation. And now I'm going to continue to explaining about how this movie was critically acclaimed. At this point, I'm going to explain as a guided toward gender role stigma. In this movie, it highlights the role of women who are passionate about getting an education and looking for the highest possible job without any limitation. This can be seen from several characters in this movie, such as Rahima, who becomes students in medical department, Maria, who becomes a flight attendant, Sita, who becomes dance teacher. So this is critically acclaimed as a form of tolerance for the rights that every human has in getting the opportunity to be educated and work as hard as possible to achieve their desires or dream without being based on the differences in the gender roles itself. So implicitly, this movie can motivate and give a moral message for every woman to be able to continue to try her best in achieving the desired work and life goals. The next point is about the domination of movie in Indonesian cinema. During the movie production decade in Indonesia, many movies that were screened with Hollywood's nuances dominated in Indonesian cinemas at that time. So, Usmar Ismail, as a movie creator, wanted to create a movie that could focus on representing the uniqueness of Indonesian culture as a form of rejection of colonial heritage, introduce and preserve the values of society and indigenous Indonesian culture. As previously explained, as previously explained by my friends, in the Asrama Dara movie, authentic Indonesian values are raised, such as Javanese in the way of the dormitory owner dresses, Muslims in the rules of the hosted and performing Balinese dances on the stage in one of the movie scenes. As a as a country that has been independent for 13 years and 1958, this movie is a milestone to be able to introduce the state and situations of Indonesian culture at that time, such as the atmosphere of Jakarta, such as trams, tricycles, bicycles, and Jakarta buildings, which are still simple and charming at that time. So based on the uniqueness and also the strengths of this movie that I have explained earlier, recognized by the movie lover, thus providing an opportunity for this movie to win the Best Editing Award at National Film Appreciation Week, or in Indonesian called as Pekan Apresiasi Film Nasional in 1960. So based on that explanation, we can conclude that in sum, with the production of this movie, it has represented that Indonesian culture can be instilled and represented in domestic movies as a form of national pride and also cultural identity to be developed, especially in the world of cinema during the post-colonial period. Based on our analysis, the Asrama Dara movie has represented Javanese Muslim values, such as the Javanese and also Muslim values, in the scenario of this movie. And furthermore, this movie also describes how the race values lives out in this movie, such as the non-Javanese value, namely the Balinese dance in this movie. And besides that, the characters, the storyline of the women's hard work, the setting, and also the message make this movie acclaimed commercially and critically, so that this movie has the opportunity to win an award at that time. So that is all from our group presentations. Thank you very much for your attention.